So there's our function, and the question is, what's the inverse of it? Now, for what we've been talking about, the inverse happens when the x and the y get interchanged. So you flip them. So if the original equation is y equals 1/3 x plus 4, then it becomes x equals 1/3 y plus 4.
That's it?
Well, that's the start. The fundamental property of inverse is the x and the y get flipped. Now, I haven't answered the question of what the inverse is yet, because I still have to solve this equation for y now. So I have to get the y by itself. This is where the algebra stuff kicks in. What am I dealing with first, the third or the 4? 4. So I'm going to be subtracting 4 from each side. So that gives me x minus 4 is equal to 1/3 y. Now what?
You multiply 1/3
by 4.
Yeah, the reciprocal. You're right, you're multiplied by something. Whenever you divide by a fraction, so dividing by 1/3 is the same as timesing by the reciprocal. So I multiply both sides by 3. Now what's nice about the problems that have the fraction at the beginning is that I already, there are no fractions when I get rid of them. So this now becomes 3x minus 12, and this becomes y. So my answer, the inverse of f, is 3x minus 12. I'm a little nervous about how many people I saw who had answers that were number-based, or that had no work to get from here to here, because those are that tells me there might be something a little bit off in how you're approaching this. Questions on this one?